and is controlled by XIZ Otis. Sure, mate. This is Gensu controller. Focus. This is a controller you're seeing. Control C. Well, this is for Habit. This is for Habit. What is this is grub. This is elevator A. This is elevator B. This is the control Cancer Amber with XIZ Otis. It's blinking. This is the position card too. Let's close it up. This is guided service by just a grab. Oops. This is elevator A, B, C. 3 elevators, Gensu. I wonder did I see anything. It's a Naipa Mall and office tower. All of elevators current. So all elevators should come in one space. All of elevators should blow no space in the right and the other side.